Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have some sticky tabs on, and I did this so I didn't have to build out the nails and then tear them down, and this will be a lot easier to be able to produce more tutorials for you guys without spending time building out the nails. So I custom mixed this color with, I'd like to thank the Academy. Oh, before that, Rachel Has Hobbies, that's where this came from. Shout out to her. So yes, I'd like to thank the Academy and Marshmallow, and then You Had Me at LO, and I mixed this all together and that produced this color. I'd like to thank the Academy is the primary color on this look versus the other two colors. So we are going to apply that on the nails, and once we do that, we are going to do the half nails in the two middle, and I will catch you right back after that.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey.
So I'm not quite sure where the blending of the blue went. It really isn't that hard. So all I did was take a blending brush and exactly that right there, and move it down some. Not a big deal. And then I come in with Marshmallow right here, and you can see I'm going to show you both nails. You could have done this a little different. You probably didn't need to do an ombre, but I felt like doing an ombre. I don't know. It was just, I was in the mood for it, because I don't think in Rachel's she did an ombre, and when you add the gold tape, you don't really need it. So I don't know if it was worth it. But you know what, it happens. And I can't really build it up here because, again, those false tips, and they will be substantially higher than the other ones, but it still came out okay. So putting that striping tape down, and I don't touch where the tape is actually sticking to the nail, so that probably seems weird. So grab like twice as much as you need, and then you can use that to touch. And then once it's all down, I put it down. That means I put it down and then I top coat it. So I bring it almost all the way to the edge, but not fully. So when you top coat it, you can actually encase the foil. And that way you won't have any lifting. And that's the best part, is a little bit shorter and then top coat right away, because then it doesn't have time to lift while you're working on the other stuff. So yeah, top coat that bad boy. Now I'm taking, I can never remember this foil glue. McCart? I think that's what it is. So I'm just applying it on the green. So anything below that foil, and then essentially on all of the nails here. And I didn't use the same foil she did. I decided to use just like a normal foil. I believe she used like a leaf foil that you would find for like painting. And once that bad boy was cured, we came in and just patted on top. So if you notice, I'm using one that has been loved, because I kind of wanted it to be scattered and not so concentrated. I know like you can go overboard, and I tend to go overboard on glitter just because it's so pretty and I love it. But I held back. I think I did good here. So now I'm taking some top coat and just dabbing this on. This is just a little metal thing I got from AliExpress. These are super cheap. I'm sure it's in one of my hauls. And now I'm coming in and top coating everything. And I think this is what makes it so satisfying, is top coating. It just does everything. And if you notice, I went over that little brad. I don't know if that's what they're called. Because with those, they're super cheap. So you need to encase it in something, and ignore that little dip in that one, because yeah, I fixed it. Don't worry. I saw it. Just when you build up the nails, it's hard on fake nails like that. If I was like actually wearing them, I would have to do it completely different. You could see my Jeffree Star nails if you want to see like how you properly do it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.